This morning, I'm going to tell you a story about King Midas and the Golden Age. Here the story goes. Many years ago, there was a king named Midas. King Midas had one little daughter whose name was Maria. King Midas was very, very rich. It was said that he had much more gold than any other king in the world. He loved gold better than anything else in all the world. He even loved it more than his own little daughter, Maria. One day, when he was counting his money, a beautiful fairy boy stood before him. Midas, it is said that there is no king who has so much gold as you. That may be, said the king. Yes. Why should we make one wish? Would you ask for more gold? Asked the fairy. I will ask that everything I touch shall turn to beautiful yellow gold. Are you sure? Said the fairy. I am very sure, answered the king. Okay, your wish shall be great, but I warn you that your wish will not make you happy. I will take the risk, answered the king. The next day, the king was eager to see if the fairy's promise had come true. He tried the gift by touching the bed lightly with his hand. The bed turned to gold. He touched the chair and the table. The chair and the table turned to gold. Soon, he went down to eat his breakfast. Now a strange thing happened. When he raised the glass of clear water to drink, it became solid gold. The bread and the meat turned to gold. Not a thing could he get it. All was gold, gold, gold. His own little daughter Marigold came in from the garden. La 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 la. Then he gave her a kiss. In a moment, the ground was changed to a golden statue. The king called and called upon the fairy who had given him the gift of the golden touch. Oh fairy, take away this horrible golden gift. Take all my land, take all my gold. Only give me back my little marigold. In a moment, the fairy was standing before him. Midas, so do you still think that gold is the greatest thing in the world? No, I have learned my lesson, cried the king. Okay, now take this picture to the spring in the garden and fill it with water. Then sprinkle those things which you have touched with gold. The king took the picture and rushed to the spring. Running back to the sprinkle it had on his marigold. And the statue was changed to his marigold. Papa! Oh, marigold! Then he sprinkled to the golden pool. It became real red and real beautiful. The king now felt the true joy. The end. Yeah.